In a green forest lived a tiny bunny named Chotu. Chotu was small, but very brave! One day, his friend Mittu the bird cried, "My baby fell into the river!" The water was fast, everyone was scared, but not Chotu! Even the smallest can be the bravest! Chotu quickly found a long stick and said, "Don't worry, I will help." He carefully reached into the river and saved the little bird. Mittu smiled, "Thank you, Chotu." From that day, everyone said, even the smallest can be the bravest.